Okay, now we will set the machine according to where we have to come it out for widening. We have to bring the carriage outward last needle which we knit and put last needle and carriage is last position. Now put that last sensor, that is the last sensor, and it will be on that position. So we have to put come back to this way and tighten this. This is in the on position. You can see this is the in on position. Okay, tighten this. The light is on now. So, and the feeder is also very much outside of the knitting area. So we have to put that only 1 or 2 needle outside. So we have to bring that stoppers 1 inch inside. 1 inch inside. So this taper, okay, there should be this one. So we have to loosen these temporary close stoppers and bring back inside for the better knitting solutions. So now we have to loose these and bring them 1 inch towards inside. Okay, all feeder should come only 1 or 3 needles away from here, not far away, because if it will be far away, then there will be chance to drop the fabric sideway. Okay, now start the machine and check the feeder slowly. Now this feeder is okay. This feeder is only 2 or 3 needles far away from the knitting area. So that's it. Oh, now we can see a needle's head is broken here. There is a needle which have not have its head. So this can be give a irregular effect in our fabric. So we have to move out it. So how do we move out it? We have to bring back it down and bring the machine slowly right side, opposite side of the needle. Whenever it is the right side, then we have to put the machine on the opposite side of the machine. So we take a strip puller and put that strip puller in the hole. There is a hole. This type of hole is also on back side of the machine. We have to put that way and push that away. By doing this, the needles can easily come out. You have to check the needles and bring out that needle. Low needle, low but you have to this needle bring out and put near new needle in machine that way. Okay, and after that carefully put that strip inside the machine properly. There will be no space left in between two strips. There will be no space. मेरी उंगली देखना उधर strips. Okay, and then we can start the machine again. This is for the winding of the machine. Now go to narrowing the machine. We have to make the collar. So collar always make on the 20-inch width. So 280, 200. There is a 280 needles are required to make a collar, and you can bring if you want to make a shorter collar, then you can take less needles, and if you want to make a bigger collar, then you can take, it's of your choice how much width you want to make for the collar. In India there is a 280 needles are usually used for making collar. So I am again narrowing. We are firstly widening the fabric. Now we are also taking back narrowing the fabric by, first of all we have to bring up the needles from 280. So bring up for dropping the fabric. It have the fabric in their mouth, so we have to bring out and down, up and down for dropping the fabric. It will leave the fabric in their mouth. There is not fabric in mouth. So do it to every needle. Always machine always widening or narrowing from left side. Don't do it on right side. Machine, this is the zero position of the machine. Never narrowing or widening the machine from this side, always from left side. So again bring out the wire from the bed and push down the needle to their non-knitting position. Okay, and push the wire inside. Okay, again bring out back side wire also, and drop the fabric also from. Now we have to check the 280 from front bed of the machine, and the needle we have to, which is one is the last needle, we have to bring out it and push it back to downside this way. Now all the needles which we don't want to knit are in non-knitting position, and we put the wire inside from both sides of the machine. Now fabric fall down here. We have to check all the fabric come out from the needles. Now it's okay. We have to start the knitting. Firstly, we have to shorten the. We have to. Firstly, you have to shorten the knitting area. Bring the carriage outside of the knitting needle and bring these sensors, left side and side sensor, to the fourth point. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 point of a comb. You have to put the last point, left side point to on the sensor. Now sensor is on.
1 minute.
You can. Now sensor is on. You can tighten the. You can tighten the. Yeah, this way. Now tight.
No, tight.
Now tight it this way. Now machine will move only in this knitting area. So, but you can see here our feeder is very much far away from the knitting area. So we have to put these stoppers again nearby this area. So we start the machine and put away the carriage from it and loosen this and bring them to 2 or 3 inch 3 or 4 inch away from the knitting area. Okay, this way. So loosen all and put them nearby the knitting area. This way. It's for temporary. We will adjust it according to our yarn after knitting. So first we check it's okay or not. If it stop the feeder in between, then it is it cause damage to the fabric. So we have to check it. It is very far away. We have to bring it to 2 or 3 needles away from the fabric. So we have to there is a ½ inch way. We have to bring that stoppers inside, only ½ inch again. So we have to lose these and ½ inch again inside the nearby the knitting area. So now it's okay. We can check by inching the machine. Okay, now you can check that. Now it's okay, only 3 or 4 needles away from the knitting area. So now it's okay. If it is far away from the knitting area, this feeder, then the side of fabric can be damaged. So now it's okay. Thank you.